Go on, Petey. Go cry to the teacher. Tell them I was nasty to you.
Shut up, Gary. You're such a jerk, man.
Oh, am I, Petey? Oh, you're so cutting. I'm really upset. Actually, I think I'm gonna go cry. Then I'd be just like you. Cry, little girl. Here comes Jimmy.
Just knock it off, Gary. You're out of line.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize I was hanging out in the girls' dorm. This is gonna be fun.
Harassing some old homeless guy is fun.
It is. And you should be grateful you're not the victim for once.
I guess.
Hey, Jimmy, tell me about this.
Why are boys so confusing? I just don't get them.
They say the kids can take haircuts. They'll all be so.
I didn't want to do this, but you pushed me.
I'm gonna take you down.
I'm gonna rip your head clean off, pal. You're gonna. Come on, show me what you got.
Not so big now, are you?
I'll get you. Oh yeah.
Let me tie you two.
I'll go.
And you're a loser, Petey. One of life's unfortunates.
Get out of here, you little scum!
So I guess the rumors are true, Jimmy. Your dad does live on campus. You jerk! Ow! Let's leave this guy to his welfare payments. Come on, let's get out of here.
Just get out of here, kid.
Why should I?
Because otherwise I'll kill you.
What's your problem?
That's a long story. You got any liquor?
No, I'm 15.
Well, what about drugs?
No!
Then why shouldn't I kill you?
All right then, tough guy. Kill me.
You know what, kid? I like your style. You got guts. When I was on that ridge in Korea, watching my buddies get killed by friendly fire, I could have used somebody like you.
Yeah? Thanks.
But I bet you can't fight. You do me a favor, and I'll show you some real moves. Classified moves. Real special army stuff.
Cool.
Just get me a part for my radio, and I'll show you what the army taught me.
Alright, man, later. What's the word? How's it going? I could use a little something to nosh on. Nice one, Doc. You better get out of here before you get hurt. Okay. Keep your head on. I'm out. Later. I wonder if they're buying my tough guy.
What's wrong with that
How's
shit?
it going? There's tracks nearby. You're on the wrong side. Keep it real, dude. Tell me you can hit harder than that. Don't know what's worse. Bowler or the stupid town that's it. Hey, what can you do? I know it's up. Oh, and get this. This year we're gonna take the friends out good. How's it? Mine now. Come on. Hey, listen. Hey, ever stand up a date to work on your bike? What's sick? Once I crush these preppies, we'll be made into shape.
Thanks, kid. You're one of the good ones. I learned this one from this crazy guy I shared with. Yeah, okay, he was my brother. That's what I like to see. Yeah, that's right, kid. Put your heart into it. Ah, all right, come back sometime, but not too early. Don't forget to bring me a transistor when you come back.
Forget stage. A face
are
like this
such
is
a
pure sin.
freaking
You get me?
wimp.
Come on, pansy.
No one messes with Wayne or his friends.
Ew.
Oh, so you're the new kid, huh? Everyone is talking about you.
Oh, are they? And what are they saying?
Nothing. Just that you're friends with that sociopath Gary.
Socio what?
Sociopath, it means... Never mind. Forget I said anything. I need you to help me.
Wait, you need me to help you?
I've got some library books that need to be returned, but I'm too scared to go to my locker.
Do I look like a librarian?
No, listen. I need your help. Pretend we're friends. Walk with me. My mom calls me Prince Algie. She says I'm really special.
Hi.
Like a prince, you know? You really have to be.
Hey, Algie.
Don't stop! This is... See me losing? Oh, Dad! I mean, you're dead!
Help! Help!
That's not cool, Jimmy.
Help me, Jimmy! I just love it when someone beats up someone who isn't me.
Come on,
Make it! I really have to go.
It's over.
My mommy says that lots of kids pee in their bed, and it's totally normal. I've already wet myself once this month. If I do it again, they'll never let me hear the end of it.
Greetings, comrades. Later.
I can't go in there. That's
Ages since I've peed in here so much.
So dreamy.
Gotta get new sheets again.
Fatty has arrived.
When I get out of here, things are gonna be different. I know it. My legs hurt.
I have to go. I'm gonna tell on you.
Maybe I should do sports or something. I'm sure this year will be much better than last. I hope.
Ted Thompson called me his little buddy. I think we might become friends.
Greetings.
This school needs more discipline.
I'll be a cardiovascular surgeon or a neurologist. I do not want to be a dermatologist. No way.
It covers your head nicely.
Can I convince you to make out with me?
Your trousers are kind of flattering.
So, wanna be my girlfriend?
How are you? Nice outfit.
I wish I was a centaur.
Hey, girl.
I like your hat. It covers your head nicely.
Wanna help me with my homework?
I have time before I have to study,
Will
so
you hang out with
maybe
me?
we can hang out.
You're sweet.
Your trousers are kind of flattering.
Hey, you doing anything?
That shirt looks nice on you.
Hi there.
Cover me! I'm going in! Hey! Were there two people in that stall?
Trench said they went into the bathroom.
Ooh.
Could you
No
guys
more
keep it
messing
down?
around!
Hey, concentrate! I've been thinking a lot about snails recently. They're slime.
Having fun?
Hey, you wanna play Crocs?
Lay off!
I can't believe anyone likes condiments. I mean, they're like sauce. You guys are making me nervous.
Tell Russell I love him. As a friend.
Oh my God! Thank you.
I've got more important things to worry about. I don't ever want to graduate and give up being a prefect. I can't wait for someone to break a rule so I can beat them.
Thanks, Jimmy. Here's the cash. I'll tell my mom that not everyone at Bullworth is mean.
Don't you? Looks like you've been quite busy, Jimmy? The prefects have been commenting on your tendencies toward violence. You've forced the staff to drag you in here. Quite extraordinary. What should I do to improve your attitude, young James? You better pay a visit to the punishment prefect. Goodbye, Hopkins.
Time to pay back the faculty for all their kindness.
I don't think you know what kindness means.
Simpkins, that's enough.